Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kau Sorkar jelah kelai trik unok pra arajar posan. Kelapen tip bahkan sepen upno di Ksew Snar joga K-9 unit. Ban yarap iki pulit ke anti narkotik task force ke jelah. Bagin Snar ki kali ki barung nega kerdop jong kesnong Ratacherra. Kenaman Ïohkem ki nugi di Snar Khaïi ki pendrung yau Drok syapok ke jelah Meghalaya. Advisor jang ketna social welfare ba polling do hagi keran bekelar thai kubor ulayat ho baga Sorkar klayo kamang pisa banthit yiki vehicle scanner kenaman Ïohkem ki nong Khaïi Drok ba ki we ki jingdi pen buat.
These reports which have reached us are disturbing, but we are now proactively pursuing. As you could see from today's program, we have now gone ahead and as promised last year, today we have a K-9 squad of dogs which will be used at the entry points to Meghalaya, specifically in the Ratacherra region, to ensure that we minimize the possibility of these narcotics and drugs making their entry into Meghalaya. It's also, I would like to share with you that we have already received sanctions for the vehicle which will be a scanner for entry of drugs and narcotics, which will detect such items. And therefore, we are upscaling various efforts of the Department of Social Welfare. And as far as the use of children is concerned, we have taken very serious note of it. And yesterday itself, Madam Agatha Sangma has shared views with you. And we will work proactively as always. I think you should commend the efforts made by the Department of Social Welfare because, there are a lot of these NGOs who, in spite of the law of the land being in existence, continue to take these kids to various institutions apparently for reasons of education, but they are yet to even fully comply with required SOPs, which government has already notified. So this is the second time that the Department of Social Welfare has come to the rescue of these children who were in a state of extreme anxiety and ill health. And we have also suggested that henceforth there should be a strict compliance with the SOPs. Otherwise, legal course of action will be initiated.